Good afternoon, it's Sue here at the Final Control Centre for WildEarth. It's all live, it's all happening before your eyes and before my eyes. I was just saying we were hoping one of these could possibly clean the lens for us, but then again perhaps not. We are working at the moment to bring you a game drive, but we're not absolutely certain it's going to happen this evening. We do have some other stuff going on, as you can see. I will bring you further news if it looks like we are going to get a live game drive this evening, so please do listen out for that. It's not entirely likely, but you never know, it may happen. So let's just see what's going on here in the meantime.